What a festive season we're all gearing up to celebrate Pongal Sankranti 2022. On that note, wish you all a very happy Pongal and happy Sankranti, Makar Sankranti to you and your families and your extended families. How have we done so far in 2022? Of course, we've begun the year on a note of uncertainty, where we didn't know if the pandemic is going to be the endemic, or we don't know still where we are heading. So, amidst this uncertainty, the willingness to celebrate, the willingness to be present in this moment and see how we are going to move to the next moment. So that's good spirit. Congratulations on that. And I'm here to talk about therapy, counseling, and the importance of therapy and counseling in the lives of young adults and adults as well. What happens when you seek therapy? I mean, is it important to seek therapy? Of course, it offers you a sacred space to allow yourself to express without any inhibitions, without the fear of being judged as you express what you have been containing within yourself for a very long time. It could be because you didn't have people around where you felt safe to express, or it could be because of the inhibition that you might hurt them if you express, or it could be because of the fear that I will be judged and I will become a bad person, or not so great person in the eyes of the other people. It could be any of these fears and concerns with which we usually don't open up to a lot of people around us. It could be our own family or friends or any closed group for that matter. So therapy offers you this safe space, this space and time to express yourself, to allow yourself to feel and process those feelings as you express about what you're feeling in that moment. So seeking therapy is the safest way to coach yourself to be better and to reflect on where you have been in life and how you have been in life so far, or how you want to go forward from there. It is safe to express things or share things with a professional counselor or a therapist, where one can help you to reflect on what you have been thinking or feeling, and then also coach you in a way to move forward rather than being stuck in that place. So what I've noticed is, therapy is not always comforting. Counseling is not always about keeping you comfortable. It is also about encouraging you to think in a direction that you haven't thought of before. It's also about, collecting perspectives and understanding that you can be flexible in ways that you haven't thought you can be flexible before coming to therapy. So when it comes to coaching, counseling, and giving therapy to young adults, teenagers, so most of the decisions are made by the parents. Parents are the ones who are coming to seek therapy for their children or young adults, and parents would also, in a way, coordinate and schedule the sessions for young adults. One request for all those parents or adults in whose care these children or young adults, teenagers are seeking therapy, to make sure that the sessions are consistent, and and also children are not initially making the choice, though some of them do, but later on, when they are nudged to think in different directions or to do things that they haven't done before, they may not be very happy to get things going. That's when they need the adults' help in encouraging them to continue going to the sessions, in encouraging them to stay on the path. And also, it is about progressing from where you are. It's not about always going back to where you began. It's as simple as that. So it's way too important that one chooses to stay on the path, to be consistent in showing up for the sessions. And it's not always going to be comfortable and sweet and nice and all these good things in a therapy session. You will be encouraged to do things that you haven't done before, and try to think in a different way that you haven't done before, So do keep that in mind if you are an adult who are uh, encouraging a child to take therapy, and then please be that adult who will also encourage the child to continue to take therapy, and so that they come to a better place, and I'm sure they can navigate better from there.